In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add an online poll in Wix. The process is pretty straightforward, so let's just get straight into it. So what you want to do is come to the left-hand menu here, and then you want to click on apps, the add apps option. Once you do that, it's going to open up the Wix app marketplace, and it's just going to take a moment to load up. Once the marketplace has opened up, you can click here where it says search apps, and what you want to type is 123, and you'll see this 123 form builder and payments. Click on that, and then I think I've added this to my Wix already, but you'll just click here add to site. Just going to ask you to verify the permissions of the specific app. Once that has loaded up, just click on add to site at the bottom right hand corner, and it's just loading up now. My Wix is acting slow, but what you want to do now is click on settings at the top left there. It's just going to load up the settings. Once that's done, you want to go click on customize form to add your poll. Actually, I need to go back into the settings, and what you want to select is online poll over here. That will load up, and then you want to go ahead and edit it from there. So once you've selected your poll, click on customize form, and it will load up this page. Okay, so once it's loaded up, you can go here and choose short answer, long answer, single choice, multiple choice, all these different options right here. Once you've configured it however you want it, click on publish, and then that'll be published to your Wix website. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.